We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. Happy customers that leave great feedback like this motivates us to want to keep them happy by providing the best service possible to each and every one of them, each and every time. It's that simple. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why our customers write these amazing reviews about us. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.